Got kind of a funny story, and it actually happened to me. And it's where three things actually collide: inspection, maintenance, and doing the complete job. For me, it started with this leaking radiator. This radiator actually managed to spray the belt, and over time, it actually caused a failure of some components. So the radiator was actually shooting a jet of hot coolant onto the belt system, particularly the decoupler pulley. It failed completely. And when it failed completely, it changed the belt alignment. I had an idler pulley on the tensioner that was supposed to look like this. It actually came away looking like this. Not good. So it damaged the belt completely, and it actually came off and left me stranded. This drives home an important part: inspection. Looking for those leaks in the radiator, looking for those issues underneath the hood. And then when you service the system, renew everything back to the way it should be. In other words, a new decoupler pulley, a new belt, a new tensioner, and making sure that everything is functioning properly. By doing this, you're ensuring that you do the complete job and the vehicle is ready to go for the customer, or yourself in some cases, and the vehicle is going to hit the road in better condition than it came to your shop in. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.